Today, we're going to show you how to change your car's engine oil using a Jaguar XF. It's a simple DIY repair that can save you time and money, brought to you by eEuroparts.com. To begin, park your car on a level surface. Make sure you know where your vehicle's oil pan is. For this repair, we'll be using a motor oil vacuum extractor, a strap wrench, a funnel, a man filter, and Fuchs Titan oil. First, remove the engine cover to expose the oil housing, and use a strap wrench to loosen the old filter from the housing. Make sure not to remove the filter fully, as this will help drain the old oil completely. Next, insert the extractor tube into the oil pan and remove the old oil. It's important to drain the pan fully. Carefully remove the old filter from the housing and insert the new filter securely. It's a good idea to compare your new filter to the old one to ensure correct fitment. Once the new filter is secure, firmly screw the housing unit back into place. Now, remove your oil cap and pour in the new oil. Check your owner's manual for the correct type of oil and how much oil your car holds. Check your oil level once you're done to ensure you've poured the correct amount. Finally, secure your engine cover back in place. Congratulations! You've just changed your engine oil at home. eEuroparts is your one-stop for affordable parts, fast shipping, and live customer service. For repair guides and more, visit eEuroparts.com today.